Extreme programming is a software development methodology which is intended to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. Extreme programming emphasizes teamwork. Managers, customers, and developers are all equal partners in a collaborative team. Extreme programming implements a simple, yet effective environment enabling teams to become highly productive. Extreme programming attempts to reduce the cost of changes in requirements by having multiple short development cycles, rather than a long one. In this doctrine, changes are a natural, inescapable and desirable aspect of software development projects, and should be planned for, instead of attempting to define a stable set of requirements. There are 4 basic activities that are performed within the software development process: coding, testing, listening, and designing. The project velocity is a measure of how much work is getting done on your project. To measure the project velocity, you simply add up the estimates of user stories that were finished during the iteration. Some other elements of extreme programming include programming in pairs, unit testing of all code, and avoiding programming of features until they are actually needed. Ping-pong programming is an offspring of 2 well-known extreme programming practices: pair programming and test-driven development. The first programmer writes a new test and sees that it fails. The second programmer implements the code needed to pass the test. Then they change their roles. The goal is to keep both programmers in focus. YAGNI is an acronym for "You Aren't Gonna Need It" and is a principle of extreme programming that states a programmer should not add functionality until it's necessary. The truck factor is a measurement of the concentration of information in individual team members. It connotes the number of team members that can be unexpectedly lost from a project before the project collapses due to lack of knowledgeable or competent personnel. Risks in traditional software development, among other things, are inherent schedule flaws, requirements inflation, employee turnover, specification breakdown, and poor productivity. Extreme programming reduces the risks related to programming.